Hey everyone, I want to thank the brand for sending me this label maker machine to try. It is rechargeable. You can see there's the USB-C port there, power button and print button. When I opened this, it came with this sample paper, and then they also sent this super cute like giftable paper, maybe for gift labels or address labels or decor, things like that. So basically I'm just going to pull this through. Super easy to load, by the way. Let me just take this out so you can see. It's spring loaded. Did you see how those went back in like that? So you just pull it out and put your paper in there like so. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. There we go. Okay, and then I just, squish this back together, make sure the paper's tight, and then when I fold it down, this is what I thought was really cool. I turn it on, long press to turn it on. It adjusts automatically. So it's ready and it will print on that next label. So once we're ready to print, we're going to hit this button here, and then I'll show you how that works in just a sec. Okay, so I'm super excited. I didn't even have to hit this print button because this paper and all of this is part of an app. So you download the Printmaster app, and when you do that, you can just type out a message if you want, like I did there. And they also have like an endless data bank of all these cute little icons. This one's pretty small, it's a butterfly, but they have them certainly bigger than that. And you can make font bigger or smaller. You can also align it left, right, or center. So whether you're printing cute little pictures like this, which yes, you can make them bigger. I just made that one really small. Or just regular wording for labels, whether you're using this for more of an artsy thing or more of a practical thing. I could see this being really useful around the house. I love the fact that it's rechargeable, and I love the fact that I can do all of my printing directly through an app and then just hit the button on my phone, and then it just prints right out. So super easy to use, and I just want to thank the brand for letting me give it a try.